Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let me see who all are present. Let me see. Good morning, everyone. Let me just check who all are present. Yes, yes, yes. Good morning, Richu. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning. Good morning, Atri. Good morning, Richu. How are you all? Just tell me in the chat section, how are you all? Yes, good morning, Ritu. Great, 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 great. Are you practicing questions? We'll do some questions today, alright? Alright, we'll do some questions today. We'll do some practice today, alright? Whatever we have studied alkenes. So we are studying chemical properties of alkenes. So we'll do just some practice today, alright? Yes. A couple of reactions which we'll study, and then we'll do some practice today, alright? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, sure, sure, sure. If you have any doubts, you guys can surely clear those doubts also. All right. So let us start. I welcome you all to Unacademy, India's largest education platform. This is Let's Crack NEET UG English platform. All right. Yes. I am Nitesh Devnani. I have 5 years of teaching experience in chemistry, and I have taught over 2000 plus students who have got some great marks in your NEET examination. All right. So, okay, this was my introduction. Let me tell you about the subscription plan of Unacademy. What all benefits you'll be getting if you plan to buy the subscription plan. First of all, you just need to download this Unacademy learning app. Just download this Unacademy learning app. All right. Yes, and there are two types of subscription plans. First is your plus subscription, in which you'll have a daily live class. You'll have live test as well as your live quizzes. There are structured courses, as well as you'll have unlimited access. You'll be given unlimited access. These are in the plus subscription. All right. Another type of subscription is your iconic subscription. See, first of all, you will be getting all the benefits of plus. You will be getting all the benefits of plus in the iconic subscription. Okay. Now, you'll be getting a personal coach also. Many students need a personal coach and expert to guide them throughout their journey. All right. You'll have test analysis so that you can understand what are your weak parts. You can improve on your time management thing, how to approach questions in your examinations. All these things you can analyze in your test analysis. Now you'll be given study planner also, which you guys can revise on a bi-weekly basis with your expert, with your personal coach. So iconic subscription, according to me, is a very great tool in order to succeed. You'll have a proper path here. All right, you'll have a proper path here. If you have any doubt regarding any path, how to follow your timetable, how to approach any exam, you guys can surely clear it. You'll be given a personal coach. All right. So in the plus subscription, you'll have India's best educators as well as interactive live classes. All right, structured courses and PDFs as well as live test and quizzes. All right, iconic subscription, you'll have all these things, as well as you'll be given personal coach, you'll be given study planner, you'll be given experts guidelines, as well as you will have your test analysis. All right. Yes. See, there are free classes also. Just download this app. Just download the Unacademy learning app. Unacademy learning app. Unacademy learning app. All right. Yes. So let me tell you, these are some of the top educators for our NEET UG platform. Let me tell you about the pricing for the iconic subscription. You need to apply the code Nitesh YT. Nitesh YT is my code. Apply this code, you'll get maximum possible discount. Your 6-month course will be getting at 34,200 rupees, 12-month course will be getting at 58,500 rupees, and 24-month course will be getting at 90,000 rupees. Alright, you just need to apply this code Nitesh YT. If you are going for plus subscription, again just apply the code Nitesh YT. Again apply the code Nitesh YT. Alright, so I would recommend you to go for, if you are a dropper or a 12th standard student, go for 12-month course, which would be for 34,650 rupees. Or if you are an 11th standard student, you can go for 24-month course, which would be 50,400 rupees. Alright, apply this code and you will be given 10% off also. Nitesh YT is my code. Alright, so this was about the pricing. These are the benefits which you get for the plus subscription. I've told you before. And today we are going to study Hydrocarbons lecture 6. So good morning everyone. Yes, tell me in the chat section. Good morning Rahul. Just tell me in the chat section who all are present. Just tell me in the chat section who all are present. Give me a thumbs up. I'm good, Keshav. I'm good. How are you? Yes, Atri is present. Rahul, Keshav. All right. See, there was an announcement on Monday. On Monday, 5 p.m. we have our special class. Special classes are all free. And the class is on Unacademy app. Alright, Unacademy learning app. Alright, what are we going to discuss? We are going to discuss NEET 2020, the paper which was in September, analysis. Alright, we'll discuss NEET 2020 analysis, and we will discuss what can you expect from NEET 2021. Alright, what all things you need to do in order to excel in NEET 2021. Alright, Monday 5 p.m. special class on this app, Unacademy learning app. Download this app and follow me there. Alright, many of students haven't followed me. Just follow me there. My name is Nitesh Devnani. Search my name and just follow me there so that you can get update of the special classes. Alright, yes, Richu, Nishtha, Rahul, Ritu, Hadik, Atri, Keshav. Yes, you all are present. Fantastic. Alright, okay. So we were studying some chemical properties. Of alkenes, correct? In the last class I have explained you multiple mechanism. Your Markovnikov mechanism I have explained you. Your anti-Markovnikov mechanism I have explained you, correct? It was addition of hydrogen halides. Do you guys remember it? Hello Adrai. Hello. Do you remember it? Markovnikov, anti-Markovnikov. Today I am going to give you questions based on it. The next property which we need to study chemical properties, addition of water on alkenes. We need to study this. Alright, addition of water on alkenes. So see, just pay attention here. The same, everything is same. Now the concept, you just need to understand the concept. See, now if suppose this is your alkene, alright, and you want to add water over it. Alright, water in presence of some acidic conditions. Slightly bit acidic conditions are being kept. What do you mean by this? See, what is the step? Let me tell you about the mechanism. What is the step? CH3, C double bond, CH2, CH3. Which, see, water is made up of two things, H plus and OH minus. Alright, which one will attack first? Tell me in the chat section, which one will attack first? H plus would attack or OH minus would attack on alkene? Tell me in the chat section. Yes, H plus would attack. Now why? The question is why? Why? No. H plus would attack. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. First attack would be of H plus. Why? See, there here you have your pi bond, na? You have your pi bond. Pi bond are what? Loosely bound. Loosely bound. And pi bond. Bond means what? Electrons. This means there are excess of electrons here. There are excess of electrons here on your alkenes. Double bond means excess of electrons. So your H plus first attacks over here. H plus first attacks over here. Now there are two cases. Now again there are two cases. Similar cases which we have studied in our previous lecture. Two cases. See, this is your first carbon. This is your second carbon. Your carbocation can be formed either on first. See, this one, or your carbocation can be formed here. Tell me, this is your first, this is your second. Which is stable? Which is stable? Which is stable? Which one is stable, guys? Yes, first is more stable, correct? Because this is what? 3 degree. This is what? 3 degree. So this path is not possible. This path is not possible. Alright. So what are we learning here? Intermediate. What is the intermediate formed? Intermediate formed is what? Carbocation. Carbocation. Alright. If carbocation is there, there is a possibility for rearrangement. Rearrangement is possible. Yes, rearrangement is possible. Are you getting my point? All right. Now what is the next step? What is the next step? Your more stable carbocation, which is your this one. This is your more stable carbocation. This is a more stable carbocation. See, now in water you have your OH minus also, na? You have your OH minus ions also. Now OH minus ions attack on this and your this is formed. This would be formed. Correct? This is your major product. This is your major product. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? This is similar to your previous thing which we have studied. Correct? This is pretty much similar to your previous mechanism which we have studied. Are you getting my point? Is this thing clear? Give me a thumbs up, guys. Great Artery, great Supriya. Yes. Yes. Great Keshav, Ritu, Nishta. Fantastic. Alright. Yes. So let me give you some questions now. Let me give you some again. Those type of questions only, right? These are all same type of questions. You need to add water on it in some acidic conditions. Come on, try this question. You don't need to write again and again the complete mechanism. Attempt this question, guys. Attempt this question. After this, I'll give you different variety of questions. Yes, attempt this question, guys. Great, Richu. Great, yes. Just first try to make carbocation and then see for its rearrangement and then add OH. Okay, Supriya has given answer, Nishta has given answer. Great. Others also write your answers. Yes, just name it. Yes, first make a more stable carbocation. Yes, Richu. Okay, Artery. Yes, yes, yes. See, this is your first. This is your second. This is your first. This is your second. All right. More carbocation, more stable carbocation would be on what? 1. More stable carbocation would be on 1. All right. So your H plus attacks and your carbocation is formed. Carbocation formed is this. This. Correct? Yes, yes. Now see, this is what 2 degree. There is a possibility of rearrangement. Yes, this hydrogen can be shifted here. So if you rearrange, things, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3 and positive. This is your form. This is what? This is your 3 degree. Now this is maximum. No further rearrangement is possible. Now simply your OH would come and would get attached to it. Your answer is this. Yes, it is 2-methyl butane 2-all. Perfect. 2-methyl butane 2-all. Great Ritu, great Richu, Atri, Nishta, Supriya. Fantastic. Is everyone clear with this? Is everyone clear with this? All right. All right. Same type of questions, right? Same type of questions. Now let us practice some questions. Let us practice some questions which we have studied till now. We have studied alkanes. We have studied most important chemical properties of alkenes. We have studied. There are a few more left which we will study. Don't worry. All right. Now let me first give you some questions. All right, and I'll ask you also questions. All right. Okay, so you need to tell me uh, Markovnikov, whether the following reactions which I'm writing, it will follow Markovnikov or anti Markovnikov. All right, you need to tell me whether it is following Markovnikov rule or anti Markovnikov rule. All right. Okay, the first one is CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HCl. Yes. All right. You need to attempt these questions. You need to tell me whether it is Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. Yes. Tell me. These are your 4 options. For each and every one, you need to tell me whether it is following Markovnikov or whether it is following anti-Markovnikov. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Yes, yes. Give me your answers, guys. Yes, okay. Many have given answers. The rest one, give me your answers, guys. Give me your answers. Come on, everyone, give me your answers. See, I have explained you there is only one deadly combination. There is only one deadly combination of HBr in presence of some peroxides. HBr in presence of peroxides. This would give you what? Nt. Otherwise, all combinations would give you what? Would give you what? Markovnikov. So see, here it is only HCl is written. So this is what Markovnikov. M is for Markovnikov. Alright. Now see, HBr and you have your peroxide also. So anti-Markovnikov. HBr H2O2. Now what is H2O2? H2O2 is this. Structure is this. Hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 is what? Hydrogen peroxide. How do you find peroxide? This oxygen linkage means peroxide linkage. All right. So this is again what? Nt. HBr in presence of peroxide is again what? Nt. Now you have your HCl in presence of some peroxide. No. This is Markovnikov only. Only HBr and in presence of some peroxides. Then only anti-Markovnikov. Otherwise always Markovnikov. Clear? Rahul, Ritu, Nishtha, Atri, Richu. Clear guys? Supriya, Nishtha, Keshav. Alright. Great. Yes. Let us move on to our next question. Let us move on to our next question. The question is this plus HOCl would give you. You need to name the product. Great. Yes. You need to name the product. Yes. Start. Yes. Let's see. Try this one, everyone. This is a good question. This is a good question. Yes. You need to think. You need to think how this HOCl would break. HOCl. This is like this. This is like this. HOCl is like this. You need to think how it will break. No. No, Inu, from where you have heard this news? There is no as such news. But you need to be prepared for May only. You need to be prepared for May only. Alright? No. Now just pay attention here. This HOCl would break as it would break from here. It would break from here. Now tell me, if we compare oxygen and chlorine, if we compare oxygen and chlorine, your which is more electronegative? No, Inu, there is no such official news. But you need to be prepared for May only. I'll talk to you about it. I'll talk to you all about it after this question. Yes. No. Electronegativity of oxygen is greater than electronegativity of chlorine. Oxygen is more electronegative. Oxygen is more electronegative. Alright. So this will break out to be OH minus plus Cl positive. OH minus plus Cl positive. Now tell me. Now there is your in solution you have your OH minus as well as you have your Cl positive. Which will attack first? Which will attack first? Chlorine positive would attack first, na? Because in our previous example your H plus used to attack first. Why? Because there are electrons, na? So there is negative charge here on your pi bond, so chlorine positive would attack. Now you need to form, it is your first, it is your second, you need to form carbocation. Carbocation means first carbocation would be more stable, so this is your carbocation, chlorine is attached here, correct? Now you have your OH minus ions also on the solution, simply add OH minus ions here. Here it was chlorine plus CHOH CH2Cl. Alright, this is your answer. This is your answer. Yes, yes, we'll surely have a rearrangement class. I've explained you rearrangement before also. Again, I will explain you, don't worry. Yes, this Keshav, this was a special case which we need to understand this, that the bond would be broken from here. Alright, and your alkenes have your excess of electrons. So first attack would be always of what? Positive charge, means it is what? Electrophile. Positive charge means it is what? Electrophile. Alright, is this question clear? No, why? Array, okay, just pay attention here. Just pay attention here. If chlorine would chlorine is attacking on this, now there are two possibilities. Please pay attention here. Please pay attention here. There are two possibilities. Your pi bond shifts here. Your pi bond shifts here. All right. This carbon would acquire negative charge, and your chlorine would attack on here only. All right. So your and this would acquire your positive charge. This. All right. This is your possibility. Other possibility is if your pi bond shifts here, then what will be formed? Then your chlorine would attack on what? On this carbon, na? So CH3, CH, Cl, CH2 positive. Now which is more stable? Which carbocation is more stable? This is more stable, na? We have been doing this thing since the last class. Alright. Is this question clear? This is not formed. Is this question clear? Alright. Alright. Great. Yes. See, about the NEET 2021 exams. About the NEET 2021 exams. You need. Alright. Everyone needs to be very much be prepared for your May. For your May examinations, everyone needs to be prepared. Don't think about postponement. There is no such news right now. There is no such news. Alright. If you guys will think about postponement, then you will not study, and if there is no postponement, then then there is a lot of problem for you guys. Alright. You need to think that it is in May only and start studying from now. There is not much time left. See, there is no such official news yet. Just there is no such official news. Alright. Let official news come and then we will see. Alright. Let official news come, then we will see. Right now you need to think that it is in May and start preparing. Don't think that it will be postponed or what. Okay. Alright. Yes. Okay. Electrophilic, 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 Rahul. All right, all right. Okay. Attempt this question. Now the next question is this. You need to attempt this question. This is your next question. This is potassium tertiary butoxide. All right, attempt this question. All right, we'll keep this class as a short class only. All right, I'm not very well today. I'll keep this class as a short class. We'll cover things in our future in next classes. All right. Yes. Attempt this question. Attempt this question. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Give me your answers. Give me your answer, guys. Give me your answers, guys. Richu has given answer. Nishta has given answer. Artery. Okay. Great. Yes. Sodium tertiary butoxide. What I have explained you. Sodium tertiary butoxide would do what? Would do dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. It was elimination reaction. What type of elimination was it? Tell me in the chat section. What type of elimination was it? It was beta elimination. Now tell me in your sodium tertiary butoxide, which products were major? Which products were major in sodium tertiary butoxide? Which products were major? Which products were major in sodium tertiary butoxide? Which products were major? Hoffman. Hoffman products were major. Yes, why? Because this is a bulky group, and being it a bulky group, it extracts hydrogen from your outside only. I've explained you this, right? So this chlorine would go and this hydrogen would go. One hydrogen from air. So what would be your answer? CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3. So but 1-ene or butene. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic. You guys remember all these, right? Yes. Uh, if in presence of, if there is your alcoholic KOH, if there is a alcoholic KOH or this thing, what were the major products? In this, your major products were what? ZEF. In this, the major product were what? ZEF. All right. Yes, yes. Richu will have a practice session. Yes. All right. I've explained this before. All right. Great, 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 great. Now, again, one more question. Are you guys ready for one more question, guys? One more question. All right, next question for you all is uh, decreasing order of boiling point. Decreasing order of boiling point. You need to tell me decreasing order of your boiling point. All right, this is your first, this is your second, and your third is this one. This one is your third. What should be the order? What should be the order? Boiling point also I have explained you. What were the two factors? All right, some have given answer, the rest everybody needs to be active. Everybody needs to be active in the chat section. Yes, everyone. Everybody needs to be active. Yes, mass and branching. So boiling point was directly proportional to your mass and inversely proportional to your what? Branching. All right. So if you carefully check, mass is same for all. There are 6 hydrogen. There are 6 carbon. Mass is same for all. So for branching, if there is more branching, boiling point is less. So more branching is here in the third. So boiling point is less here. So and there is no branching here. There is no branching here. So boiling point is more here. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. This is correct answer. Got it? Yes, yes, yes. Great, 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 great. All right. All right. Okay. So I'm just stopping this class right now. I'm not very well today. Okay. But in our next organic class, definitely we'll have more questions practicing. We'll complete our alkenes and then we'll have our more classes. Sorry, more questions. All right. All right. So you guys attempt these. Start practicing some questions. Start practicing some questions, and then we'll have our next lectures. Okay. All right, so just like this video if you are able to understand everything, and we will meet. Today is Saturday. I will meet you on Sunday. Sorry, Monday. I will meet you on Monday. 2 to 3 lectures more. Richu, 2 to 3 lectures more. All right. Yes, I will meet you on Monday. Okay, I'll meet you on Monday. Okay, bye bye. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. Have a great day. Practice some of the questions. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye. Bye.